Oh,
Hey guys, it's hashtag Scoot. And, I got a new deck. You watched my last vlog. Please check that out if you haven't already.
jeez.
I got this for free. I kind of finessed AO, but it's free. So shout out to AO for sending me a second deck that wasn't needed. And we're about to have a mini ramp session. So as you can see, the ramp is pretty wet even with the tarp on, but we're still gonna get some clips. I don't know if this is really gonna work, because it seems like it's still pretty wet. So we're just gonna go straight into the session and take this robe off. Hey, so I haven't skated this ramp in a really long time, and it's soggy and wet right now. There's a pretty good chance I'm gonna fall, but here we go. Okay, I'm gonna try some tricks on the other side. The buddy's ours, so it goes in. If you're wondering why our skating is super trash right now, look at this floor. It's just way lumpier in person. You can't really tell. It's super lumpy. So Nar starts out dropping on this really vert part of his ramp, and it's kind of wet, so he might fall.
I'm scared.
Are you gonna do it? I need to move.
Bump's freaking me out.
I need to move. I don't think it'll stop you. It just might slow you down, if anything. But I need to move a little more back to get the better angle. Go. Ooh. Hey. All right, now we're about to go film some street on the new deck. Whoever designed AO's decks should be fired because they made the thinnest grind plates and it sucks so bad. I mean, it's a strong deck, even though banana's kind of quick, but like this grind plate needs to go. They need to make this shit like wider because this is terrible for like balancing, I guess. I don't even know, but it's just really bad. I feel like getting the cup, so I'm just gonna drink out this thing.
Do 7 tricks down this 3. That's 1. That's 2. It counts.
Not really. Oh my God. Hard. We just got some clips at Harding, which is my elementary school. And now we're going to the cemetery to look for some spots.
Wait. Okay, this guy's tombstone just says bacon. That's awesome.
Alright. What's in here? Oh, it's unlocked? Go in, let's go in. Oh, it's really dirty in there.
I'm not gonna go in that.
Vroom vroom. No, I'm not getting in here. This is like an old filled with like dirt and probably.
It's not too bad.
I'm not going in.
Alright.
It's not filled with water, surprisingly. So here's a spot. Check it out. I gotta get all the leaves out of the way so I can get some decent tricks on this. Oh shit! Almost. Smart ideas from Menards. Very smart. He has a very high IQ. So we just finished clearing it out. Not really, there's still a lot of leaves. And I might fall, but you know, I'm gonna get some clips.
I don't know if you can see, but this goes pretty far down, so this is pretty scary. Oh shit. You good?
Yeah. Anyone's wondering what that loud water noise is? It's this. Like a little. We found a little trailer of water and the Menards about to go in. Hey, he's wearing his mom's shorts.
I don't know what to do.
See my shadow? Right there. There's nice one. End up here. Yeah, I don't really know what he's doing. He might think he's really cool, but he's about to fall in. So, yeah, we'll get some more clips.
I'm not doing that.
So that's a wrap up for the spot, and we're on to the next spot. So we'll see where we go out of nowhere. Yeah, we're at the next spot, and it's Thousand Oaks Elementary. It's a 6 flat 7, and we'll see how it turns out.
Woo! Oh. Yeah.
Like emo.
Nice job. No, that was sick, dude.
Just got some tricks at Thousand Oaks, and we're back at Albany where I snapped my deck in the last vlog. And I'm gonna get the triple heel, maybe down the 4 block instead of 3. Let's see. Pulled up to the spot, and I think we found evidence of Bigfoot. You know, these are really big footprints. What the hell is this? Actually, you know, maybe not, but they're kind of fat. I don't know what that is.
Oh, second try.
So that wraps up the vlog. Hope you enjoy and subscribe if you want. Peace.